Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canvas neck cutting. We will start by gathering our essential tools. You will need sharp scissors, fabric chalk, and a reliable measuring tape. Preparing your canvas is crucial. Lay it flat and smooth out any wrinkles to ensure accuracy. Then, decide on your desired neck shape, whether it is a classic crew neck or a stylish V-neck. This initial preparation sets the foundation for a successful project. Now, let us move on to precise measurements. First, measure your desired neck width. A common range is between 6 and 8 inches for a comfortable fit. Next, mark the exact center front of your canvas using your fabric chalk. Finally, determine the neck drop, which is typically 2 to 4 inches for a standard, flattering neckline. These accurate measurements are key to achieving a well-proportioned and professional result. With your measurements marked, it is time for smooth cutting techniques. Carefully cut along your chalk lines, using long, even strokes for a clean finish. It is often best to start with a small initial cut and then gradually widen it, giving you better control over the shape. Always use sharp scissors to ensure crisp, clean edges and to prevent any unwanted fraying of your canvas material. Finally, let us discuss the finishing touches for your neckline. Reinforce the cut edge with a simple hem or by applying bias tape for durability and a neat appearance. After this, check the fit of your newly cut neckline and make any minor adjustments if necessary to achieve perfection. For an extra professional touch, consider adding some decorative stitching around the edge. You have now successfully cut your canvas neckline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.